The next question to solve is this one. So what we have here is 16n over 17 divided by 8n over 6. Now you're probably thinking, why would you throw us this curveball? Well, let me tell you something. When you're dividing, that also means you're multiplying. Probably asking how. Well, this is how you do it. It's called keep, change, flip. Okay?
Whoa!
Whoa. You keep your first fraction, you change the sign to multiplication, and then you flip your second fraction to 6 over 8n. And that is how you solve that one over there too. So let's go. Now since you're multiplying, you only need to multiply straight across. Am I correct? Okay. So 16n times 6 is, what's 16 times 6?
The calculator's right there.
So 16n times 6 is 96n over 17 times 8n. Are you crazy? 17 times 8n is 136n. The next step is to simplify.
Wow.
So, what number goes into 96 and 136? Let's find out. I'm guessing 16. Nope. So what number goes into 96 and 136? 8. Divide by 8, and the number you get is 12n over 17n. The next step, the next step is to cross out your like terms. Well, what is like terms, you ask? Two terms that are the same. So, what the two things are the same? 12 and 17? I don't think so. And an N? Correct. Cross out 12 and 17, and the answer to this problem is 12 over 17.
Whoa!
Okay.
Okay, start. Oh, fuck. Shit.
So, as we saw in this one, because it's dividing, it's still multiplying. So what we do is keep, change, flip. Okay, so x squared plus 10x plus 16 over x squared plus 6x plus 8. We keep that. And then we change the division sign to a multiplication sign.
Whoa!
And then we flip this. So it's x plus 4 over 1.
Wow.
So really it's just x over 4. But for this,
X plus 4.
x plus 4 over... Damn it! But for this, we're going to keep it as x plus 4 over what? Okay, so just multiply that shit across. You know? So, x squared plus 6x plus 8 times 1 is x squared plus 6x times plus 8. You know what I said. So, that's what we're going to write. And then, this one's going to be a bitch. So, we multiply this times these. I'll just spoil that shit out. Okay. X squared times x is x cubed. So. And then you have x squared times 4, which is 4x squared. And then you have 10x times x, which is 10x squared. And then you have 10x times 4, which is 40x. I'm hungry.
Me too.
And then you have 16 times x, which is 16x. I hope that makes sense. And then you have 16 times 4, which for those of you that don't know basic math, is 64. No, yeah. Combine like terms. That's one. Since those are the same, I'm gonna put the same thing. Those are the same. And then that's by itself, like me.
Oh,
So I'm gonna go ahead and erase this. Okay, so you got your x cubed because that was the only one. And then you add 4 plus 10x squared, which is 14x squared. And then you add your 10x plus 16, which is 26. And then you have your 64. All over x squared plus 6x plus 8.
Wait, where did you get 26 from? Isn't that a 40?
Fuck! So it's 40 plus 16, which is 56. You know, 5, 2, they look the same. So, now we are going to eliminate some like terms. So, okay. Since I did this whole thing wrong, we're gonna start over. Cube change, flip that shit, okay?
Okay, watch your profanity.
Watch your profanity. So,
I don't know how to bleep stuff, dang it.
okay. Tell her not to lock the door.
Ma'am, excuse me. Can you please not lock the door because we took some stuff from there. Thank you. No problem. Thank you.
Whew. So, what you want to do is do that keep change flip thing, okay? So. I don't know what the fuck that is. Keep that. Then you change the division to multiplication. And then you flip the 1 over x plus 4 to x plus 4 over 1. And then you factor it out. So x squared plus 10x plus 16 would be factored out to x plus 8 times x plus 2. And then x squared plus x plus 6x plus 8 would be factored out to x plus 4 times x plus 2 times, and because x plus 4 is over 1, it's just x plus 4. So, you cross out like terms. Actually, we're going to keep the x plus 4 over 1. Okay, so, and you only cross out like terms if one is on the bottom and one is on the top. You can't cross out like terms if they're both on the bottom or they're both on the top. So, because the x plus 2's are both on the bottom and top, or on the bottom and the top, you cross them out, and then the x plus 4, bottom and top. And then that leaves you with, can you see right here?
Ma'am,
My back hurts.
so does mine.
That leaves you with x plus 8 over 1, which just equals x plus 8. Shabam. Okay.
Yes, start. Sorry.
Now you're probably asking, what do I need any of this for? So right now we're gonna give you a real world problem because everybody has 50 watermelons. So let's get started. I'll read the question to you. One pipe can fill a pool that is 1.5 times faster than the second pipe.
Because everybody knows how fast their pipes go when they fill up a pool.
Right. If both pipes are open, the pool can be filled in 6 hours. If only the slower pipe is open, how long could it take to fill the pool? So we are trying to find the rate at which the slower pipe fills up a pool. So we're going to use the equation R equals W over 2. R represents the rate, W represents the water, and T represents the time. So the next step is to figure out an expression for each the slow pipe and the fast pipe. So we're going to use 1 over P to represent the fast pipe, and we're going to use 1 over 1.5 P to represent the slower pipe. Why? Because this one goes 1.5, this one goes 1.5 faster than this one. So, and both of these can be filled in 6 hours, okay? So that means that
Pause.
one,
And go.
so that means 1 over P plus 1 over 1.5 P equals 1 over 6. Because they're 6 hours. Now we are going to solve for P.
Hi.
The first step is to multiply this by 6. Shit, I don't know. Why do you multiply that by 4? Doesn't make any sense. I'm so confused. I'm just gonna say it and not explain it. So then you multiply this by 6 and multiply this by 4. and multiply this by p. From that, you will get 6 over 6p equals, plus 4 over 6p, which equals p over 6p.
Okay.
You're right.
Yes.
So that means that 6 over 6p plus 4 over 4p equals p over 6p. This was meant to be 6p. Since all of these are the same, you cross out your like terms. And that means that 6 plus 4 equals p.
Oh, wait, Esther, I got it. You multiply times 4 times p. Wait. You multiply times 4 because you're trying to get the same denominator. Because you're adding fractions.
So how does that give you the same? Why don't you just multiply these two?
No, because of that one.
The 6?
Yeah.
So why 4?
Because 4 times 1.5 is equal to 6.